Woo-wee. Man, she looking good, man. What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Speedy Corey 6 coming to you with another video. Hey, man, I'm sorry you guys haven't been posting a lot. I just haven't had really content I really wanted to share with you guys lately because I've been trying to just do a lot of things in the background with the business and stuff like that. But it is finally time to get the IPL up and running the way it's supposed to be. So in this video today, we're gonna actually be picking up a new UPT3 stage 3 clutch for the car. As you guys know, I've been on the OEM clutch since being boosted, and this whole time I've been slipping. Just like all the time, my clutch was slipped. So it's crazy. So now we're finally addressing that. We're gonna finally be picking up the new clutch and installing that in this video, as you guys can see. And then we're also gonna be doing, in another video, my injectors. We're gonna be upgrading to 1300 injectors. I'm actually gonna be selling my old injectors, my 1050 injectors. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you guys hit me up on my Instagram and DM me. And then from there, we're actually be getting retuned finally. We're gonna be finally getting retuned next Friday. So today's Tuesday, so next Friday. So we're gonna be going with Saul on Dismal Nights. Super excited about that, man. Going full E85, new clutch, all that stuff. So we're finally getting this car going. No more procrastinating it. So we're gonna go pick up the clutch right now from Georgie over at Unique Motorsports. And then we're gonna go ahead and get it installed. Turbo. That's so cool. Those are the best things in the morning when you start the car up. You can get the turbo rolling up. Damn. What do you guys think about the Nismos? Actually, I think it's a perfect blend with the color. Honestly, I feel like the blue is just getting a little annoying, or not annoying, just old. So it feels good to actually switch it up, you know. So, but honestly, the look of the car is done. It's time to actually just make the car fast because I'm tired of it just being slow. You know what I mean? So I'm not really focused on the look anymore. Like, this is probably how it's gonna sit for a while, but now it's time to really get the car fast and stuff like that. So I'm excited. So we're gonna be installing the clutch. I gotta take off the whole turbo system and all that, but it's crazy because there's supposed to be like a hanger right here, and I don't have it on there. I need to actually put that on it this time because the freaking downpipe from the turbo, it keeps rattling on the frame of the car. So we're gonna fix that finally too. So, and then get everything ready to go for next week. All right, so we just picked up the clutch. Shout out Georgie. So we're gonna take it to the dealership right now and then get it retuned. All right, so we got the clutch. About to get the car on the lift right now and lift it up. First thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and take off the shifter because we're gonna have to do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just remove this part right here, take that off, and I'm gonna lift the car up, and then I'll show you what I'm gonna do underneath. Dang, that interior is so fire. First thing you want to do is go ahead and remove the shift knob, which I already did. All right, you're gonna go ahead and pull up on this. Okay, it's real easy. So like, say this right here, you're just gonna pull it up, and you should be able to take this off. Okay, if you have the OEM shift knob, it might be a little bit harder to take off because it has Loctite on there, and it's like extremely hard to get off for the first time. So I have an aftermarket one, so it's easier for me, but just want to let you guys know that. All right, go ahead and disconnect the cigarette lighter. Just like a little clip right there. Next thing, once you remove this, you're gonna go ahead and remove these screwdrivers right here, and then there's two more. It's kind of hard to see. One right there, and then that right there. Okay. All right, and to make it easier to get these bolts, you can take off this whole thing. So what you're going to do is take off the bolt. You're gonna take off this bolt, that bolt, that bolt, that bolt, and then also remove this little plate right here that's underneath with a flathead screwdriver, like this, and you just pop it out, and you remove the 4 bolts right there. And now we should be able to move this whole center console out the way so we can get to that bolt right there. All right, so I just took the little screen that was right here off, so we can get more room to the screws and access to it now. So we can take those off. Once you got this off, you can just leave this right there because we're just gonna drop the whole transmission itself. And then we should be good to go. And I'm gonna go ahead and lift the car up and show you guys what to do underneath there. Finally got a tripod too, so gonna be doing a lot more DUIs on how to do stuff. So yeah, let's get right into it. Got the clutch right here. So we did go with the stage 3 clutch from Georgia. It's a 6-clutch clutch right here. I did go with his pressure plate as well. Like that. Okay. And then I did go with the got the midway flywheel right here. And I'm also going to be installing a heavy-duty slave cylinder. I did not go with a slave delete, like the C-Max slave delete kit, because my turbo kit, actually, I can't fit that slave delete kit on with my turbo kit. So that's why I didn't go with it. I went with a heavy-duty slave. So, and if something happens, we have to flip tranny. It is what it is. I have my own shop. So, and I also got the alignment tool too. This is gonna be your guys' bitch. I ended up just cutting mine because I'm gonna solder it back together, but this shit is a bitch to get to. I can barely take it off now. Shit. Man, I can barely take it off now. That's crazy. All right, trannies out. All right, so we got the transmission out. It should have. I don't know why it was so hard this time, but it should have been easier because I have done a tranny before in another car, but I don't know. But we were able to get it off. Just make sure you guys take off the shifter. I don't know why I did not take it off in the beginning, but we ended up taking that off and made it super, super easy. But yeah. So yeah, so now I'm gonna work on this. Take off the heavy or the old OEM slate cylinder. Put my heavy duty slate cylinder on. And I'm gonna do the clutch, flywheel, all that stuff, and then yeah. All right, so here is the OEM clutch that I have to finally take off. We're gonna be taking this off right now. But yeah, just make sure you guys go look. It was getting stuck. The input shaft was stuck right there. So, but yeah, just make sure you guys take that shifter off so you guys can go completely back and then drop it. But yeah, let's get to replacing the actual clutch. right, guys, so it is now the next day. So I already got the transmission back in there with the new clutch, flywheel, pressure plate, all that stuff is in there, heavy duty slave. And now what I've been doing is working on the turbo, just getting all the little things kinked out, all the little kinks fixed before the dyno day. And I was finally able to get flush fitment with the turbo. Let me show you guys. I don't think you guys understand. Like, so this V-band right here, like this bottom one, if you have the single solo kit and you have I think this is the stage 1, and you have V-bands like this and not the T-body or the T3 body bolts, oh my God, you understand my pain. Like, this is the hardest thing to get aligned. And I finally got it aligned perfectly right here with this one too, with the downpipe, and also got the hanger right there as well. So, oh man, this was a bitch to put on. Like, I didn't record anything because this was literally some work to do. So, but we got it flushed. I'm gonna put the rest of everything on now. All right, time to test out if we did a good job on the clutch. All right. Alright, so we're doing our quick little test drive, just make sure everything's good. Everything's going in gear. First, second, third, fourth. I don't have my exhaust on right now because I'm going to be switching exhaust, or putting my full exhaust on the car. So I just have, like, literally, it's just wide open dump right now. It sounds crazy, but yeah, clutch feels good. Bro, this car is so loud right now. So loud, there's no way I'm driving this home. You guys listen to my turbo. I ain't got no exhaust on. Oh damn. Alright guys, new clutch is in, aired it out, everything's good. Airbag light, nothing that's on. Everything goes into gear. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Reverse. Everything's good. All right, for sure, man. The clutch feels really good. I'm so happy I finally upgraded the clutch because now it actually grabs. Like, I can feel it. Like, no more slipping, no more like feel like the car's not really, it's hesitating, you know? So super excited. Finally gonna be able to get a retune and everything. So I'll turn the car off. But yeah, you guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Make sure you guys tune in for the next ones. I definitely got some more content coming soon. For sure gonna be doing the injectors next, and then fixing a few little things like the exhaust and stuff like that. Be ready for the tune next Friday. And yeah, man, but that's gonna do it for the video, guys. Go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.